Hi guys, I'm Elsie Nika and welcome to today's video. If you're new to this channel, feel at home and please consider subscribing to join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, jisikie nyumbani and I appreciate your support so much. So guys, today we'll be making vegetable rice the quickest and the easiest way possible. As you can see on your screen, these are all the things we need. We have the red capsicum, we have the yellow capsicum, these are chopped carrots, we have French beans, and these are green peas, and this is our rice. Share with us hapo kwa comment section. What do you do before you cook your rice? Do you wash it? Do you soak it? For me, I soak my rice before I wash, then I cook. Anyway guys, we start by adding the turmeric to the oil. We put our minji, that is the green peas. You add a little bit of salt ama just salt of your choice kama unapenda salt mob ama kiasi. Then we cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out.
After kitu 5 minutes, we check on our minji, and if it is ready, we add our French beans and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Well, so guys, I'm getting used to talking alone. Anyway, how do you guys measure the amount of water to rice when you're cooking? For me, like for 1 kg, I use 2 liters of water. I measure like ratio of 1:2. So if it's a cup of rice, I do 2 cups of water. If it's like that jug, 1 jug of rice, I do 2 jugs of water. So now we add our water, we bring it to boil, then we add our rice first. Give it a few minutes to start boiling. Then now we can add our capsicum and carrots. Then we let it cook. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until
our shine will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start again. Won't see the
So guys, after you've added your carrots and the capsicum, punguza moto and let it cook under low heat until when it's ready. After a few minutes, check on the rice so that it doesn't stick on the pan. Make sure to turn it and let it now cook until ready. By the way guys, share with me hapo kwa comment section. Did you know that this was the right way to turn your rice? Like you don't stir it ama kukoroga it, you just turn it like that and let it cook. Our vegetable rice is ready guys, and as you can see, this was the quickest and the easiest way to make vegetable rice. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch through my video. I really appreciate that. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please take just seconds of your time and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Until next time guys, bye.